Recognised that after 10 years of running projects the traditional way, the way we'd been trained to run them, and all the frustrations that go with that, we wanted to create a simpler way for homeowners to work with architects. We know that we have skills and creativity that people want, but the traditional way of working was too cumbersome and awkward, and Architect Your Home is really a simple way, a really easy way for people to use our services as much or as little as they like. Architect Your Home is now a network of like-minded architects across the country, all local to different areas, all using this menu-based system that allows people to use the service as much as they like. The great thing about Architect Your Home is that it suits any size of project. So, we've done projects where people want to add a bay window, or on the other end of the spectrum, we've done really big projects, refurbishments of large houses, kitchen extensions, loft conversions, a whole range of different projects. Once you've got the menu, it's entirely up to you how much you use the services of the architects. Some people might use it all the way through, help with planning permission, drawings, surveys, whatever. Other people just want the ideas and may be able to do a lot of it themselves. So it's really up to each customer how much they use the service.
Right from the word go, it's very clear what you're paying for. And at any stage in the process you could say, okay, that's enough, we want to do it ourselves now, or say, well, actually it'd be really nice to have a bit more help. So it's very clear. Excellent.
Every project kicks off with what we call our initial visit, which is a live design session in the home. It's either a half day or a full day with the architect in the home, where lots of discussion can go about, and the creativity of the architect can be brought to bear, the experience can be brought to bear, and drawings are done usually around the kitchen table. The idea is we get to a design very quickly, working with the customer. Well, after the initial visit, the architect obviously knows a lot about the project, and he produces a menu of next steps for the customer. That's all priced up so the customer knows the options and knows how they can go forward, and they can choose how much or as little they want to use the architect.
When we decided we were going to do a project like this of changing a house to get it to how we wanted it, I just looked on the web because I knew we couldn't do it on our own. I knew we needed somebody with technical expertise to advise and to offer ideas. So I went through the web and found Architect Your Home and really liked the idea of how it has lots of different bits that you can choose. It's not one, you don't have to pay a lot of money for one thing that covers the whole project. It's bits.
So if you want to find out more about Architect Your Home and how our architects can help you and our menu-based system, just give us a call.